Yup, it's your boy Jizo back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, we definitely, hold on, guys. Hold on. Oh, my. I definitely can hit you with a Birdman Heroes. And we must got a package in and, dang, okay. AJ, man. We just got a package in. Boom. There we go. Package in. I think this one is from, I'm assuming this one is from, let's see. What's that? I'm assuming this one is from kickmax.ru. Kickmax.ru. Again, I'm assuming that's who this is from. If not, I'll tell you later on in this video after I open the package, man. But that's who I assume it's from, and I'm pretty sure it's probably from them. So let's check them out. Pet is wrapped tight. Box look a little small here, man. I might be wrong. Am I wrong? There we go. Boom. Alright, so I got it out. I'm gonna skip forward for you guys. Hey, y'all probably ain't seen all that extra stuff that I had to do to get this out the box, man. So we got a Dior box here, man. Dior. They be in all the stores. Dior. They be in all the stores. Alright. Let's check it out, man. Check them out, man. Folks, so brother, check me out, man. Much like the other Dior box that I got. Alright. In the box. The bag. This bag is nice, actually, guys. Look at that bag, man. Ooh, bag nice. Nice dust bag. You got your papers and whatnot. Tell you, you know what I mean? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Here's the seller's information. That's the seller's information. Right there. Put that to the side as well. See what kind of shoe in here, man. Ooh. Okay, Dior. Catch me in all the stores. Look at these, man. These are nice. Let's take them out the wrap, man. Oh, my goodness. These are tough, man. Nice Dior's, man. Nice Dior's. They look... See if they say 13. Yeah, they say 47, man. Yo, these janks are tough, man. Boy, look at the bottom of them. I'll try them on, but again, guys, when it comes to shoes like this, if they look small, they're probably small, like, no doubt about it. Look at the inside. The color in the inside is cool. Dior on the bottom. These are cool, man. These are cool and whatnot, and I'm pretty sure they fit like the other ones. So they can go on my foot now. Now the problem is they're too they're too small, man. They're too small, but you can put your foot in it. I got a fat foot. Maybe if you got a skinnier foot, you'll be okay, man. I'm not too sure. Don't get me to lying to you, man. I never lie to you guys. So let's see if I can put this thing on my foot, man. Man. See if I can put this shit on my feet, yeah. Alright, y'all see the knife on the floor. But these how they look on the foot. They're not bad. I can wear these ones. I'm not gonna lie, they're bigger than the other ones. I ain't gonna lie, bigger than the other ones. Yeah, I can wear these. I don't know, might have broke them already, but I don't even care. Fuck. Okay. I'm kind of hyped. So, these things are nice, man. Like I said, go and get you a pair right now. Use code GIZO, okay? Use code GIZO. Damn, how did I get some? Okay. Must be stuff on the floor. I gotta sweep this shit, man. Boom. Kickmax.ru. Go and get you a pair right now. It hugs the foot a little bit for me, but guess what? I ain't tripping. Top tier pair of kicks, man. Top tier pair of kicks, man. Ooh. Oh yeah. These tough right here. Top tier. I'm out of here, man. Go and get you a pair, man. Go and get you a pair right now. Dior. I be in all the stores. The colorway is crazy too, man. Colorway crazy. Yeah. I like it, man. I like it. Show y'all the Dior sign. Back of the shoe. Top tier, man. Top tier. Yeah. Top tier. Loosen it up a little bit. That's all. Just loosen it up a little bit. You're good to go. So I'm out, man. I'm out. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to use code GIZO. This was a quick little video. Man. I'm back in the lair. Gotta clean this shit up, man. It's just not enough space in here, to be honest with you. Yeah, because I want to put, like, lights and shit. You know, I want this to be the studio, like, you know what I mean? So, yeah, it is what it is, though, man. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.